Hello everyone. Yesterday we did clipboard, font, some portion of paragraph and style step from the ribbon. Today we are starting with the line and spacing option. Suppose you want to add some lines in between these two lines. First of all, select your content. From the paragraph tab, click this arrow and choose how much space you want to enter. Suppose I just want to add the space 3.0. I will pick it and you can see space is added between these two lines. In case you want to reduce it, again I am picking 1.0 and you can see there is no space between in these two lines. In the same manner, we can apply some more options. Click again, choose line spacing option. In this, we have two tabs, indent and spacing and line and page breaks. In indent and spacing, first is the alignment option, which is equivalent to the paragraph options left aligned, right aligned, center and justified. You can pick it from there and from this place. For the indentation, please keep an eye on the previous section and check. As I increase the left indent, my text is moving to the right, and if I am clicking on the right indent, my document will be having some space on the right side also. And in case you just want to add indentation in the first line only, pick this one, first line. Your first line will be starting after leaving some space that is given by you. And after this we are having spacing. Suppose you want to add some space before the paragraph and after the paragraph. Right now we are using 0 point before the paragraph. As we are going to increase it, it is 18 point, and after the paragraph we are also having 24 point. Now let's check. You can see now my text is aligned. You can see the first line indent and rest left and right. You can check it from this position. This is the right indent. This is the left indent for the paragraph. This is the left indent for the first line indent. Okay. After this, I hope this part is clear. Suppose you have added, now we have added some space before the paragraph and after the paragraph, and you don't want to keep that space. Select your content. Again, go to line and spacing option and choose this, remove space after paragraph. Your space after the paragraph will be removed. Okay. After this option, we will be moving to this shading part. Suppose you want to put some shading, you want to add some shading just behind this text. Select your text, pick any color. You can see this is a fixed or solid color, but you want to add some style in this. Then more color, or you can go through custom color. Okay. From here you can apply some border outside your paragraph. Here also, if we go to border and shading, we will be having such kind of option. First of all, we will choose shading. To put shading, to add shading in our text, we will choose color of our choice, how much shading you want to add, and again the color that should be applied to paragraph. Okay. Now you can see the difference. This is the solid fill color and this is the shading part. Again, if I want that uh, border should be applied to text also, go to border and shading. From the border section, I will choose, by default it is applied to paragraph, and I have not selected any border yet. So first of all, I will choose a border. Okay, now this border is applied to text. And what happens if I apply this border to text only? Click here, border and shading, and instead of paragraph, choose text option. Okay, right now you can see the border is applied to the text only. Inside you can see these two border. If things are not clear, just we will add like this. This thing only. In this way we can apply border to text only. And in border we have lots of option. Let's try. Suppose this is the text where we want to add some border. Again, go to border and shading. Box means you just want to add paragraph. Okay, we are applying border to whole paragraph. Shadow or 3D. From here we will choose what type of lines you want for your border. From here we will choose color of our border, and at this position we will opt width of our border, and that will be applied to paragraph. And in case suppose you don't want to keep border at top, bottom, left or right, just deselect from this position. And if you want to keep them, again select it, apply it. Your border will be applied to paragraph. Again, go to border and shading. Then we are having page border. It is we use this border to apply border to our page. Just see it. Either you can apply this kind of border in your page. You have selected point, whole document, and from here we are choosing color. Okay, now you can see I have a border in my page, but sometimes I just want to add some styling. For this, choose page border and opt art option. This is inbuilt art option. You can pick any one. Simply, for example, I am adding this one, applying to whole document. Okay, but only one thing at a time will be applied. Either you can apply this line option in the page border, or word or art option. If art is applied, your line option will be deselected, and if you are applying line, your art option will be deselected. This is all about line and space, line spacing and border option. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now we will be moving to next part. Okay. In case you want to search a particular thing in your document, click on the find option. For example, we just want to search for a word habit. Right here and search. It will show you each and every occurrence. Let's search for the another word, the. Click enter. Now you can see it has shown us number of occurrences where the has been appeared. Move your cursor one by one each occurrence, and whatever thing you want to do, you can do it. What we want to generally do, either we want to delete or replace it. Let's replace our things. Click on replace. Suppose we just want to search the, and we want to replace it with the capital the at some places. First of all, click find next. What will start searching for the from the place where your cursor is, from the current position of your cursor. Find next. As you can see, it is highlighting the in grayscale. If you want to replace it, click on replace, and if you don't want to replace it, click on find next to search the other the. Suppose we want to replace it, we will click on replace. And if you want to replace all the occurrences of the with the capital the, at one click, just click on replace all the, as you can see, 11 replacement has been done, and it will save our work. Okay, here also one more option is this. Suppose you want to look for the and replace with the, and we are having this more option. If we are using match case, which means you are word will find out the exact match. If you are searching in small letter, it will search for small letter. If you are writing the things in capital letter, it will search for capital letters only. But if uh, find whole words means, it will search the complete word, not the like the initials, not the word starting with the, it will search the whole word the. And if we are using wildcard, it means sometimes we want to look for a particular words uh, whose starting we know, but we didn't know the rest of the character or rest of the letters. To replace rest of the letters, we simply put asterisk symbol. It will replace rest of the letter. It means it will search for all the words that is starting from T. It could be 3-letter word, it could be 4-letter word, and it could be 5-6-letter word. But the thing is, it will find out all the words that will start from T and replace them with T. Let's search. As you can see, the indigestion, it is searching for T, and so on. Okay. Then we are having select. To select all objects. Control A is used to select your whole content. Okay. From this place, we are moving to insert tab. I hope this part is clear to you. In insert, we are using this table option. In table option, we can add table in 3 ways. First is from insert table option. You can simply select number of rows and number of columns. Your table will be inserted. On the other hand, you can draw table manually by using pen tool like this. First, 2 rows, 2 columns, and this thing. Or we can use this option from here. Table, insert table. From here, we can decide how many columns and how many rows we want to insert. 3 rows, 3 column, and along with it, we use these 3 options. Fixed column width means computer will the auto width is already decided, or you can choose this option. 0.9 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like this. This is the fixed column width. Or we can insert table as auto fit to contents or auto fit to window. Means it will adjust our table as per our page size, as per our window size. And in auto fit, table will be quite smaller, but we can adjust our table It is auto fit. Insert table, choose auto fit to content means it is quite smaller in size. It will take its shape and size as per the data we will add. Now we have added a table with 2 rows and 5 columns. Now we need to modify it. Click here, press enter, move it. Suppose I just want to need few more rows. Right click, insert, insert rows below. If you want to add a row just above it, then click insert rows above. In this way we can manipulate or customize our table. In case you have to add any cell or any column, in the same way, right click, insert, column to left, column to right, and so on. Whenever you insert a table, you will be having this design and layout option. The option that we get after right clicking, insert, and delete, you be having same option at this place. This is to insert column to the right, left column to left, insert row below, insert row above, and this is the delete option. Suppose you don't want to keep this row, click on delete, select delete row, or you can simply right click and choose delete row, delete cell, delete entire row. And in case you have to delete a table, select your table, go to layout, delete table. Because if you select your content and press delete, your content will be deleted, but a table will remain here. Just see it. I'm selecting this content and deleting. No rows has been deleted. Okay, then we can apply different styling option from this position. These are some inbuilt options that we can apply in our table. Select your table, click this arrow and choose table style that you want to implement. Again, we can customize it, select it. Right now we have banded row. Banded row means one is darker and one is the lighter mode. If you don't want to keep this option, just deselect it. You can see now another way. So every style will be having such kind of option. Just try them and style them as per your need. And in the shading, if you want to add some shading, again choose color of your choice and apply some shading. This is again the border option. But in case suppose you don't want to keep any style here, this is another option. Choose this first one option. You will be having the same table, original table without any style. Suppose you want to change border. From here, first select the style that you want to implement, or from here, thickness, and if this is the pen color which you want to use. And if you are using pen, you have to put things like manually like this. But from this location, at one instance, with one click, we can apply all borders immediately to whole table. Okay. And in the layout also, if we want to reduce the size, we want to increase the size, then we will follow this option. This is from the height we can increase the cell size, and from this position we can increase the size. And we are not able to move it because we have opted table type as auto fit to the content. Let's change it, auto fit to window. Now we can change it. Okay, when you move your cursor like this, we have this pointer. From this location also we can adjust column width, column height like this. Okay. Then another option related to table is if you want to adjust the alignment of your text, select your text and choose alignment from this position where you want to align. Say in center, right aligned, left aligned. We have 9 alignment option at this place. Even suppose we are writing something at this place, use tab to move between your cells. Yes, suppose my cursor is at this position. I am setting cell margin. How much margin I just want to keep in between the cells. I just want to leave 0 0.1, 0 0.15 at the bottom, again 15, and this is the left margin. Okay, 19, increasing it, decreasing it. Okay, if I am just setting this position, you can see this is my current position cell. It means the how much space you want to left for your cell margin. You want to keep how much space you want to keep on the top of your cell, in at the bottom, left, right. One more thing is which we call it cell spacing. Allow spacing between cells. Now styling will be like this. Okay, I have done 0 0.15 centimeter spacing. Now you can see my table is like this. I hope you get my point. Again, one more thing is this text direction. Click your text, select your text and pick. You can move your text inside the table like this. In some situation, we just want to split our table in 2 or 3 sections. Click in the row or area from where you want to split your table. Click on split table. Your table will be splitted in two from that place. But in some situation we just want to add we want to divide our cell in 2 or 3 section. In this case, click inside the cell, then go to split cell and choose number of column and number of rows and okay. Your table is your cell is divided into 2 rows and 2 column and it's done. Okay. After that, in some situation we just want to merge our cells. We can do it in 2 ways. In empty cells, we just select the cells whom we want to join. Select your cells, merge cells. You can see data. These cells have been combined together. Now, if our cell, if there is some text in between our cells, and if we try to merge them, it will be merged like this. Your text will be combined, and this eraser portion is used to delete any row, column, something like this. Things like this you cannot, or you can simply use delete option to remove row or column. Okay, and done. We are done with the table part, and next important thing is select layout, delete table. Okay, in insert We have different options related to shape. First, we are choosing this line. This is some options will remain same for each and every shape, like outline, effects, and fill. In line, we don't have any fill option because it is not a closed figure. In shape outline, we just decide these things, what type of line or thickness, do we want some arrows, and so on, and also the color of our line. And in line we have these 2 pointers or 3 pointers to just to increase or decrease its size. And when we keep our mouse on this shape, we can move it from one location to another location. After lines, we have rectangles and rectangles. Simply drag it. Now with this shape, our shape fill option is highlighted. You can fill any color of your choice, like this. And these are the different styling again. What type of fill you want? Do you want some border, or do you want simple text? You can choose anyone from this position. This is outline if you want to put some border, highlighting point. And again, you have to opt some outline color. This is a shape effect. Like I just want to keep this shape to rotate it, and so on. You can see we have two type of pointer in the shape, simple round and this yellow one. This round shape is used to increase or decrease its size, and from yellow pointer we can change this shape. Right now it is it is having a curve, and if I move this yellow pointer, I can reduce the size of this curve or even make it more sharper. Every shape which is having this yellow pointer, it means we can change that shape. Let's have a look on few of the shapes. Like these are the basic shape. Right now I am opting for this one. Okay, this pointer is used to rotate, and in this shape I don't have that yellow pointer. It means I can just increase or decrease the size, but I can't change its shape. Okay, now I'm inserting this arrow, and in this arrow I am having these two yellow pointers. As you can see, I can change it, delete it. Okay. Apart from this, in shapes, we have different kind of these flow chart options, stars and banner, like this. Again, you can modify them as per your need. Okay, and the last one is insert shape and this call outs. These allows you to write inside in the shape. Suppose I am having this call out, writing text inside the shape, and at the same time I can change it like this. It means we can modify our data, we can represent it in more beautiful way. Another option that we can use in insert is, this is all about shape. I would suggest that you must try all the shapes, then you will be more familiar with this concept. Picture. Select a picture. Uh, okay. it would be better if we take any online picture. We are picking flower. It is showing us this kind of picture. Okay, we will take cake. Oh, beautiful. Now I have my picture. The first thing that I want to do with this picture is to crop my picture, because some part is not required, as it is not allowing me to crop it directly. So what I will do, I will crop it in a shape. Select my picture, click on format, crop. Once crop is selected, this black pointer will appear. Move them to the place where you want to, at the area you want to keep or you don't want to keep. Select your area, again click on crop. As you can see, my picture is cropped well. I don't want to keep this place, delete it. Okay. Now we will move to the other options of picture. Suppose you want to crop this picture in a particular shape, then go to crop, select the option. I want to cut it in this shape. Now see, my picture is in circle shape, quite beautiful. Okay, now we will modify this picture with the different borders from this position. You can modify it, and if you want to put some effects, choose this option, effects. Again, I would recommend that you must try each and every option manually, one by one, so that you are familiar with with each concept. These are the some correction. Suppose you want to add some highlight, you want to increase some brightness, you want to decrease some brightness, contrast. Such options will be available in correction and color. You want to change color, highlight color, and this thing. You want to add any artistic effect like this. And in case you don't want any setting, simply reset your picture and you are done with this. Now the question arises, main thing, sometimes we have to work together with the text and picture, which is quite a tiresome job. How to adjust your picture and text together? Suppose we are having this content. See, now I just want to place my picture on the top of it. Again, it is, see, I am facing some problem. It is not moving. So to adjust the position of this, in the format tab, I have this option, position. I'm picking it, the position where I want to align my picture. First of all, I just want that I should reduce its size. Quite narrow. Okay. Like alignment, we have different position option: top, center, right, totally right and center, 100% center, left and center, bottom and center, right aligned and center. For now, I just keep top and center, this position. Okay. And wrap text, again, it is again a quite useful option. If you want to work together with text and picture, we are going to use this wrap text option. Suppose you want to keep your picture behind your text, pick it and place it. Now you are able to move your picture along with your text. At the same time, choose other options like strike through, top and bottom, square, all these in front of text. It means your picture is in front. We are working with the picture, we are not working with the text. All the option will work with the picture and text will be adjusted accordingly. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for today. See you in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can message me anytime. I will definitely solve your problem. Or any other query, you can share it with me anytime. In case you want uh, any other help, I am always available. Okay. Thank you.